Replacing your windows is a major investment that affects comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall value of your home. While there are many options available, working with local experts can make a significant difference in the quality of results you receive. For homeowners in Warren, choosing professionals who understand local conditions and community needs leads to smoother projects and better long-term performance. Local knowledge of climate and housing styles. Local window experts have first-hand experience with the specific climate conditions that affect homes in Warren. They understand how seasonal temperature changes, humidity, and weather patterns impact window performance over time. This local knowledge allows experts to recommend window materials, styles, and features that perform best in Warren homes, ensuring durability and comfort throughout the year. Accurate measurements and proper fit. One of the most common causes of window replacement problems is improper measurement. Local professionals are familiar with the construction styles and common window dimensions found in Warren neighborhoods. By taking precise measurements and accounting for unique architectural details, local experts ensure a proper fit that prevents air leaks, drafts, and moisture issues. Compliance with local requirements. Window replacement projects must meet local building standards and installation requirements. Local experts stay up to date with these guidelines, ensuring every project meets necessary standards. For Warren homeowners, this means fewer delays, smoother inspections, and confidence that the work is done correctly from the start. Personalized service and communication. Working with local professionals often means more personalized service. Local experts take the time to understand your specific needs, preferences, and concerns. In Warren, homeowners benefit from clear communication, easy access to support, and professionals who are invested in maintaining a strong local reputation. Faster response and ongoing support. Local experts are readily available for consultations, installation, and follow-up support. If adjustments or questions arise after installation, help is nearby. For Warren homeowners, this accessibility provides peace of mind knowing that assistance is always within reach. Quality installation that maximizes performance. Even the best windows will not perform well if they are installed incorrectly. Local experts bring experience and skill to every installation, ensuring windows are properly aligned, sealed, and secured. This attention to detail improves energy efficiency, noise reduction, and long-term durability in Warren homes. Supporting the local community. Choosing local professionals helps support the Warren community. Local businesses rely on positive relationships and satisfied customers, which often leads to higher service standards. Homeowners benefit from working with professionals who are invested in the success and well-being of the local area. Long-term value and confidence. When you work with local experts, you gain confidence in the quality of your window replacement project. Their familiarity with Warren homes, commitment to service, and attention to detail deliver results that last. For homeowners in Warren, partnering with local experts ensures better window replacement outcomes, improved comfort, and long-term value you can rely on.